is a line that runs between us, a tie that binds us to each other's heart. Should life's travails rise to defeat us, we will prevail, never drift apart. There is a path that we must follow on our own unto our last reward. Should we cross each other's shadow, you'll hear my footsteps echo next to yours. May all your dreams and wishes guide you as you wander through this world. And may the flame that burns inside you light your way, my Jackson girl. There will be times so bright they'll blind you, and darker times when you might lose your way. Trust in your voice, and it will not deny you, and you will wake to the dawn of a better day. And there is a home you can return to when the road becomes too hard to bear. And there is a friend that you can turn to. Close your eyes, you will find me there. May all your dreams and wishes guide you as you wander through this world. Should you fall, I'll stand beside you, my special one, my Jackson girl, my special one, my Jackson girl.